Okay, so you guys can hear me clearly. Let me check the chat option. Okay, so we are good to go. Please let me know if you guys can hear me so that we can start with our lecture. Okay, nice. Let's see what's happening here. uh Okay, just okay. Fine. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, so yeah, let's get started without wasting the time. Hi everyone, my name is Ankush. I am CEO and founder of Learnomed Technologies. I have around 13 plus years of experience with the database administration, and my main expertise with the Oracle database administration. So previously I worked with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T and some mid-scale companies. Okay. So throughout my career, I got an exposure to work with the multiple technologies, especially in Oracle database administration, then PostgreSQL database administration. I also work with the data engineers, and I got an opportunity to work with the cloud. Okay. And nowadays I'm handling some of the projects related to the AI also. That's all about me. And about the Learnomate, right? As you know that we have around almost 1 lakh subscriber on our YouTube channel, and in terms of LinkedIn, like we are good, we are like quite popular. Okay, so what we are going to talk here, right? We are going to talk about a very interesting stuff. We call it as a database administration, right? Oracle database administration. You might be thinking like, what this database administrator people are doing in their life, what are the prerequisites side, like, I want to start my career into the database administration. See, most of the time the people are most of the time what we have seen, like, people are aware about the technologies like Java or .NET or Angular, all those technologies, right? People are not aware about the database administration also. When I started, when I was learning, I was in BTech actually. So when I was doing this BTech, that time we were talking about the C++, Java only, and we were thinking that after the BTech we are going to start our career into the programming only. But that's not a real case. When I started my career into the IT industry, I started as a developer. So I was working as a web developer. And then I moved to the Cognizant, where I got the opportunity to understand about the Oracle database administration. So in Cognizant only, I got to know that, okay, there is one technology available with the name Oracle database administration. Before that, I was not aware about that. So I know about the Oracle, but every time when we see Oracle, we thought like, okay, where you need to write down some SQL queries, a big procedure, functions, trigger, all this, which we learn in our BTech. But that's not a reality. Okay, database administration is a completely a separate profile. Developer is a separate profile. We are an administrator. We are not a developer. So if you are here and you are learning about the database administration for the first time, then this concept should be very clear. There is a difference between developer and administrator. Developer are the people who are doing something new. They are developing something new. Okay, and you should be very strong with the logics. When we talked about the developer, now that developer can be your Oracle developer or database developer. That developer can be your Java developer, web developer, any developer. Okay, administrator are the people who are quite good with the infrastructure, who are quite good with the resources. They don't write down any queries, they don't write down any coding, they are not responsible for that. So whenever you are a situation where you want to write down some coding, we have a developer. Whenever you have a software and you just need to handle that software, you just need to administer the software, we need a DBA. So administrators are, it can be your Linux administrator, cloud administrator, it can be a DevOps administrator. These are all profile which comes under the administrator only. Okay. So one thing which I want to tell you very clearly, that those people who are not interested in coding, programming, then this Oracle DBA is the best profile. Those people who are thinking that I want to resume my career into the IT industry. Earlier I was working with IT, and because of some issue, personal issue, health issue, or family responsibility, I have a gap, and now I want to resume my career into the IT industry. Then Oracle DBA is the best career. If you are working with some technologies where you think that I don't see the scope, normally like the testing people are also coming to the Oracle DBA. I have seen many people are coming from network background to the Oracle database administration. Let's say you're using DB2 mainframe, which are quite old databases, and you want to switch to the Oracle DBA. Then this is a profile where you are always welcome. Why it is easy to start, I'll tell you, because here you are not going to do any programming. Normally, if you are just going to Python programming or Java programming, nowadays how the interviews are happening. The first interview will be taken care by the AI. So they will ask you some question, you need to respond. AI will decide that whether you are good to go or not. Then you will have a second round where you need to write down the program. So they will ask you to share your screen, and you need to write down their program. So Python and or any programming language is something like which you cannot understand easily. Even as a trainer, we put a lot of efforts to make you understand, but it required a lot of practice. A very very you should have a practice, unless and until. So programming is a skill set which will not be done within one day. The logic will be developed as soon as you are putting a lot of efforts. So when you think that I want to start my career with the Oracle, with the IT industry, with some minimal efforts, not minimal, but compared to the development, that is minimal only. So Oracle DBA is the best profile. Again, I'm telling you, all the big companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T, TCS, Tech Mahindra, you take a name of any big company, Amdocs, all the banks like UBS, Citibank, Dutch Bank, you take any bank, every bank, SBI, S Bank, every bank required a database administrator for the, every bank required a database administrator, because when you do the transaction, what database store, a database store the transactions. Now Amazon sale is coming, right? Everyone must be waiting for the sale where they can purchase some iPhone or whatever you guys are comfortable with that. Now when you are doing the transaction, when you are going to spend some 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees, or let's say you are spending 500 rupees, that transaction will be stored somewhere, right? So where it will get stored? That transaction will be stored under your Oracle database only. So Oracle database is very very important. Every client, especially the bank, I'm telling you, every bank is using the Oracle database. You take a name of any one database, you will see Oracle database is there, especially for transactions. Whenever you are talking about OLTP transactions, when you are doing deposit, withdrawal, all these, Oracle is required, and no one can beat Oracle in terms of transaction. That is the reality. You guys need to trust me, or you guys need to ask the people who are actually working with the Oracle, or who are actually working with the IT industry. Okay, I'm speaking continuously, but whatever I'm telling you, you guys are understanding, guys. Can you please use the chat option and let me know whatever I'm speaking, you guys are able to understand, guys? Let me know in the chat option. Whatever I'm speaking, are you able to get me, everyone? Can you please use the chat option? Yeah, I'm seeking Sahib. Rakesh is saying yes, Rajan is saying yes, Surendra is saying yes, Akash is saying yes, Nitin is saying yes, Anjali is saying yes, Jash is saying yes, Mohammed is saying yes, Karthik is saying yes, Nidhi is saying yes, Prakash is saying yes, Sagar is saying yes, Nikhil is saying yes, Sandeep is saying yes. Oh, so many yes. Okay, so yeah, that's how now you might be thinking that, okay, I'm talking about the Oracle database, so do we have only Oracle database in the market? No, not like that. Okay, so we have multiple databases are available in the market. Okay, it's not about the Oracle only, we have multiple database. For example, We have Oracle database, we have MySQL database, we have PostgreSQL database, we have SQL Server database. We have multiple database. Like I'm talking about the RDBMS database. Then we have some open source database. Some of the database we have NoSQL database also. Many databases are available in the market. But when you talked about the transactions, when you say that I want support, I want security, I need performance, we have a huge amount of data, we have a huge amount of transactions. Oracle is the king. Always and forever. It will be always there. Okay. When client is saying that, boss, I'm worried about the money, I don't have money. I'm okay with the performance, I'm okay with, then people might be thinking about the PostgreSQL or other databases. Okay. But yeah, the king of your databases where you are much worried about your performance, security, support, we have Oracle as a king. Now you might be thinking that, okay, yeah, okay, Oracle is good, but what I'm going to do as a DBA? Can you tell me, like, what is my responsibility as a DBA? The most important part which will be there in your mind, that what is the work culture of DBA? Once I'm going to start my career as a DBA, what I'm going to do, right? We'll discuss about the architecture, everything slowly, one by one. But unless and until you don't know that what I'm going to do, then what is the use of learning about this Oracle DB also, right? Please fill up this form which is available in the chat option, guys. I'll take 1 minute. Please fill up this form. Okay, please do that. Okay, so now the important part is, what is my responsibility as a DBA? The main responsibility, okay, the main responsibility, 1 meter, 1 meter. One minute. Just a minute. Okay, nice. Fine. Okay, just a minute. Oh. So what is my responsibility as a DBA? Okay, what is my responsibility? What is my responsibility as a DBA? See, the main responsibility as a DBA is, the main responsibility as a DBA, the main responsibility as a DBA is to ensure that your database should be up and running. That is my main responsibility. अगर आपका डेटाबेस जिंदा ही नहीं है तो फिर आगे मतलब ही क्या है? What is my main responsibility as a DBA? To ensure that my database should be up and running. That is my main responsibility. I'll tell you a small example. You understand, okay? See, consider an example that you are going to the Amazon, okay? And you say that I want to purchase an iPhone. So you have done add to cart, and finally you are trying to do the transactions of 1.5 lakhs. So you're trying to purchase what? iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, I used that. I didn't like that. So finally I purchased this S26 Ultra. This iPhone is suck, man. It's very difficult. So what I did, um, I went to the Amazon, okay, and I'm trying to do some transactions. When you're trying to do the transactions, your request will go to the bank. Bank server is down. Bank server is down means your bank database is down. Now, if the bank database is down, whether you're able to do the transactions, no, you will not be able to complete the transactions. And without transaction, do you think that they will give you iPhone 17 Pro Max? No, they will not give you. That is a main challenge. So what is my responsibility as a DBA? Let's say you have an Amazon sale, big billion day is there, and on at the same time, when by 12 o'clock, suddenly your database is down. Suddenly your database is down and you are not able to do the transactions. These Amazon people, first of all, they are going to catch a database administrator only. Was why these people are not able to do the transaction? Why this transaction is getting failed? because that is a loss to the Amazon. That is a business loss, and that loss is very, very huge. That is the reason the main responsibility as a database administrator to ensure that your database should be up and running 24 across 7 also. Why it is 24 across 7? You cannot say that, okay, I will only work in between 9 to 6. So if something went wrong to my database, I will only work in between 9 to 6. And if something went wrong to my database in the night time, I will not worry about that. No, that's not something which is going to happen, right? It's not going to happen. We need to do that. We need to do that. So if your database is getting down, database can be down because of multiple reasons. Maybe it is a network problem, maybe your server goes down, maybe your storage goes down. It can be any issues. So whenever your database goes down, you need to ensure that your database should be up and running 24 across 7. Or if it is going down also, then their downtime should be very minimal. So why the DBA teams, they are working so hard? Because they are keep monitoring that whether my databases are running or not. And when you are working as a DBA, you are directly touching to the production database. See, normally what developer will do? Developer will take the requirement from the client. Then he will say to the client that, okay, I'm going to finish this in next 15 days. So till 15 days, the developer will do the development. But if something went wrong in development, there is no problem. That is not impacting to your business. But when you're working as a DBA, you're directly impacting to the business. Let's say somehow the production database is down. Take an example of this Zoom meeting. We have a schedule call by 8 o'clock and suddenly this Zoom is stopped. Don't you think that it is a loss of business? Because after this demo, we are going to get a lot of payments, right? And when you are trying to do the payment, suddenly my bank is saying that the server is down. Don't you think that it is a loss to my business? I can see that there is one payment received now. So this is also very, very important that your database should be up and running. That is my main responsibility as a DBA. What is my main responsibility as a DBA? To ensure that your database should be up and running and it should be healthy also. Another important thing which you guys need to understand, that you are also responsible to take the backup of your Oracle database. You are also responsible to take the backup of your Oracle database also. Now, what is meant by backup? See, I have a table, and in that table, I have very, very important data is there. For example, I can see in my account 10,000 is there. Just take an example. I can see in my account we have 10,000 are there. So do you think that this app is storing this 10,000? I can see in net banking 10,000 is there. Do you think that this app is storing this 10,000? If I uninstall that app, whether my 10,000 is gone? No, right? So from where that 10,000 is coming? This 10,000 is coming from your database only. If someone dropped that table which contain a 10,000 record, then you will not be able to see. Many times, in the SBI, in the night 12 o'clock, the SBI internet banking will not work, right? Did you observe? Because I'm keep checking the balance. So in the night 12 o'clock, the SBI will not work because that time the SBI is stopping the database for the maintenance purpose intentionally. And it is my responsibility as a DBA to take the backup of my Oracle database also. Because if someone drop that table unintentionally or intentionally, let's say someone is not happy with the manager, before he leave, he drop the table. Then what he'll do? Anyway, the person has already left the job, right? But this is a panic situation now. So you should always have a backup available. And it is your responsibility as a DBA to always take the backup. Now, how to take the backup? We have different utilities are available, like RMI utility, export import utilities. Those are all utilities are there which we are going to see one by one. No worries about that. Those are all utilities which are available one by one. We will take care of it. But did you understand whatever I'm discussing, guys? Whatever I'm discussing, are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Those people who want to start the career into the DBA, are you people understanding what is my responsibility as a DBA? This is very important, because if you don't know the responsibility, how are you going to start the career, right? So till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? And please fill up the form also, guys. Please fill up the form also. Are you able to understand, everyone? Say yes. Yes. Sakshi is saying yes. MG is saying yes. Zair is saying yes. Vijay is saying yes. Jay is saying yes. Great. 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 I see that everyone is able to understand. Very soon. Very nice. Very nice. Now the next part. Now the next part. See, I'm telling you one by one responsibilities. Okay. Today I'm not showing you. Today I'm not showing you any practical. So my intention is slowly we will go to the practical part. Okay. So first of all, we will start with the basics. Like, you should be comfortable with Linux, SQL, and then we will start with the Oracle DBA. The third important responsibility as a DBA is, my database should be secure. My database should be healthy, that is fine. But it should be secure also, no? There should not be any bugs available in my Oracle database. There should not be any security concerns available in my Oracle database, right? Whatever amount I have in my bank, that transactions are available in the table. There is a chances that someone may take access to my account also, which is not good, right? Which is not good. Now hackers are there. They are going to hack your Gmail account. They are able to hack your Instagram account. So definitely they can hack Oracle also. But we have a support coming from Oracle. Oracle is saying that you don't worry about the security. We will provide you a software. We called it as a Oracle patch. If you apply that patch, if you apply that software, then you will not face any issues related to the security. You will not face any issues related to the security. I will provide you a patch, but as a DBA, you are responsible to apply that patch. We called it as a patching activity. I will provide you patch. I will provide you a patch that you need to apply on your software. We called it as a patching activity. You need to apply. What this patch will do, whatever bugs, whatever security issues are available in my Oracle database, all those bugs, all those security concerns will be gone. How? By applying that patch. Who will give me? The Oracle support team. Who will apply that patch? You as a DBA. You are the future DBA, na? You are a future DBA who is responsible to apply this patch. You are a future DBA who is responsible to apply this patch. So the third responsibility, as I told you, to ensure that you have your database healthy, as well as it should be secure also. That is the third responsibility. The fourth responsibility which I am going to tell you, see, whatever responsibility which I am telling you theoretically, na, everything we are going to see practically also. That is the reason this is quite lengthy course. This is 3 months of course, which is a real time scenarios we are going to cover. And how the screen will looks as a DB, in real time production environment. You should be comfortable with this black screen. See, this is once, like I was talking about the performance tuning in Oracle database. So this is one screen you see here, right? See here, right? So you should be comfortable with this black screen. So basically, when you are working as a DBA, when you are starting your career as a DBA, your day will start with the black screen and your day will get ended with the black screen. That's how it works. That's how it is going to work. Your day will start with black screen and your day will be getting ended with black screen only. That's how it is going to work. So don't get afraid with this black screen. When you sit with me for next 3 months, and when I'm daily opening this screen, you will be habitual. If I tell you my personal experience, whenever I see a black screen now, then I feel comfortable. Like, okay, this is my area. This is my area. I can play with this area very, very well. No problem in that. Okay. So that's how, I start. Okay. That's how I start. But whenever I see something different, then that is a problem. Okay, then that is a problem. Now, coming to the next part. Okay, coming to the next part. 1 meter. Let me tell you. Okay, I'll copy this, and if I open that, okay, now. So another responsibility which we are going to learn about the upgradation also. See, everyone want to upgrade. Now, why you people are joining this training? Because you want to upgrade. You want to upgrade. Now, that is the reason you are here. Why you are here? You are here because you want to upgrade yourself. You want to upgrade your knowledge. That is the reason you are here, right? Same way. I am also here because something which I will also get to know from you people. Like every batch I will learn something. Every batch I'm learning a lot of new things from the students. Even though I have good experience, but yeah, uh, Oracle is all about the learning only. You will get something new from the people. So you are here to upgrade. I still remember when I started using the laptop. That time we were using Windows XP. Windows XP was there. Then Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. Windows XP was very very slow. Windows 7 was also slow. But as soon as you see the latest version of Windows, you can see that are very very famous, right? That are quite faster. You can see the good graphics also. That is the reason we are using that. Similar way, right now, if you are using Oracle 12c, so Oracle also have a multiple versions. When you download the Oracle is coming with Oracle 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23AI, 26AI. These are the different versions are there. So if I'm using any older version where Oracle is not providing the support, if you're using older version, the Oracle will not provide you support. So Oracle is asking you, can you upgrade your Oracle database? We need to upgrade that. We are responsible to upgrade that Oracle database. Why we are upgrading the Oracle database? Because if you upgrade the Oracle database, you will get much better security. You will get performance improvement. You have multiple new tables will be there. So basically the most important thing is, and you will get the support also from Oracle. If you are using Oracle 10G, Oracle 11G, and you are going to the Oracle support saying that, can you give me patch? Can you give me the solution of this Oracle database? They will not give you. Why? Because you are not listening them. You are not listening them means they are asking you to upgrade. First of all, you need to upgrade. So that is the reason upgradation is also very important. Now, how to upgrade? What are the different methods are there? Are we going to see this practically? See, Learnomate is all about the practical sessions only. You ask any people who has gone through the training with me, we are going to see practically also, we are going to see theoretically also, we are going to see conceptually also. Everything we are going to see one by one. So don't worry about that. It's just a matter of you should do the practice. Okay, you should do the practice. That is very very important. Okay, that is very very important. Till now, whatever we discuss, everyone are able to understand? I know that you people have a lot of question and you guys are want to discuss with me. So yeah, so if you have any questions regarding the training, because see, I'll tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. See, I have people who are coming from freshers also, and they don't know about the Oracle DBA. So we are not directly touching to the Oracle DBA. First of all, we are going to cover Linux. Then once we are done with the Linux, then we are going to start with the SQL. Why we are talking about the Linux and SQL? Because this is a prerequisite. This is a prerequisite of your Oracle database administration. And then finally, once you are good with this, then finally we are going to learn about the Oracle DBA. Then we are finally understanding about Oracle DBA. So we are going slowly. Linux, SQL, and then we have Oracle DBA. What is the course? This is a 3 months of course. What is the duration? The duration will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is a daily batch, Monday to Thursday. Monday to Thursday. Why we are talking about Monday to Thursday only? Because why we are talking about Monday to Thursday only? Because we have so many practicals are there. Even if you see my screen, see here, my machines are always running here. You can see here, so many machines are there. Now you need time to do the practice also. The best part about this training is we have dedicated. Now what we are going to, give you extra. We have dedicated support team is also available. What is the role of support team? They will take your control and fix the issue. Let's say you are doing some practice. And like every time I am not be available, right? So I have a dedicated team is there. They will take your control and they will fix your issues. The class will be interactive. You can ask your question. I will respond to you. The class will be completely okay, will be there. Okay, so don't worry about that. Second important thing is what I was saying, we have a dedicated support team is also available. We have dedicated support team who will take your control and they will fix your issues. After the class, we are going to conduct a continuous mock interview. So if you check our Learnomate YouTube channel, you will see that so many mock interviews we have recorded and we are taking that. In the class, we are going to discuss about the interview questions, answer, everything will be discussed. Okay, everything will be discussed. Okay, now one more thing. Let me just check this. Okay, one more thing. Even after the class, even after, like, once you are done with the class, like let's say after the class is done, and still if you have questions, like you got some new question which is not covered in the class or you don't know the answer of it, you can reach out to us and we will help you. So basically we will provide you a complete placement assistant also. We will help you with the resume preparations. Okay, resume preparations, how to speak in the class, how to speak in the interview, everything will be covered. How to speak in the class, in like when you get, let's say when you get someone like you, someone is going to ask you, right? So resume preparation also we are going to cover. Okay, that part also we are going to cover. Okay, so don't worry about that. Apart from this, so many things are there. The most important thing is, if you miss the class, then what will happen, right? So resume recordings are also available. By any chance, if you need, like by any chance if you miss the class and you need the recording, so definitely we are here to provide you the recordings also. Okay, so we will take care of everything. It's just a matter, like, you guys need to be available and we'll take care of it. Okay, so we'll be there. Okay, so that's all. We are going to take, take care of everything, but you guys need to be, strong. Again, if you are asking me, I'll tell you one thing. If you're asking me, do we need a lot of practice? Yeah, I would say, yeah, practice is very, very important. The practice is very, very important. Without practice, it's very difficult to crack the interview. Okay, so okay, you guys come up with the questions. Okay, what about this Learnomate website? Like if you just go here, let me show you the Learnomate website. So man, 1 minute, let me show you. So if you just come here, okay, so this is our official website. This is my official website. So if you just go here, click on the trainings, Oracle DBA 19C. So this is a complete syllabus. Like by any chance if you want to go through the syllabus, so whatever we are going to cover, everything is mentioned here, right? Everything is mentioned here. And you guys can reach out to this number. You can WhatsApp, click here, you can WhatsApp us, and we will take care of it. So these are the different modules which we are going to cover. So many modules are there. Okay, we are going to cover everything. Okay, everything will be covered with this course. Okay, so yeah, we are good to start. We are good to start with our training, and yeah, I would like to see you guys, how things will work. Let me know. You can ask your questions, guys. Please ask your question. I would like to. Can you unmute? Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the question regarding the training. I'll take care of it. Can we sign up via the website? You can fill up the form which is available in the chat option, or you can directly reach out to the number which is available in the chat option, right? So this ended with 926. You can reach out to this. Let me send you the number, guys. You can WhatsApp to this number. Okay, this is the number which I told you, right? And you can fill up the form also. You can fill up this form. You can fill up this form also. Yeah, please ask your question if you have any doubts. Please feel free if you have any questions regarding. I need to give the certification exam. Yeah, you can after this course you can go with the OCP certification, Oracle Certified Professional. So in that there are two exams are there, admin 1 and admin 2. So you can go with this certification also after this exam, after this course. Okay. Okay, what else you guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know, guys. Okay, yeah, I see that. Yeah, yes, please. Yes, actually, I'm into the 1 minute. Actually, I joined from my device also. And see, actually, I'm working into an ERP company, okay, as an implementer. Okay. So, will this be a useful thing for me? In ERP, Oracle ERP, you are saying? No, I'm into an implementation department, not Oracle ERP. It's a different ERP. So, I'm in the front end part. Acha, front end people, if you think that you want to come to the this part, then yeah, definitely. But in your job, I don't think so, because this is completely, because when you talked about the DBA, now we have front end and we have back ends are there. Okay, so front end part will be taken care by application team or developers are there. This side, we are much concerned about um, the database administration. Okay, so if you are thinking that I want to stick with the same ERP, if you're happy with that, then I don't think so. This is something which is helpful for you much. Okay. Any question, guys? All good? Hello? Yes, please. Sir, Satish this side. Yes, please. Sir, actually, I have already 4+ years of experience as a Oracle DBA. So should I learn this Oracle DBA or directly I can switch to RAP? Because right now I'm looking for new opportunity. Due to some reason I left my job. That's why I'm asking. Because I have already 4+ years of experience and I know all means patching and all, everything I have done. So if you think that all these things in this syllabus, like ASM data guard patching upgrade. No, data guard I don't know. Means theoretically I know data guard. Okay. Practically I don't have any knowledge because in my previous organization, means we are using AWS or core DBA plus AWS. So AWS part senior person means they were taking care. Okay. That's why I don't have any knowledge of AWS. Okay. So data guard is fine, but what about this patching activity, ASM? Patching I have done more than 100 times, sir. Okay, ASM and all, you guys are aware? Yes. Then directly go to the Oracle rack only. Okay. Then you can directly jump to the Oracle rack environment. Because in file system, ASM both I have applied patch. Then no problem. You can directly come to our Oracle rack class. Because see, sometimes what happen? People they think that why to do Oracle DBA, they will directly come to the Oracle rack also. But when they are coming directly to the Oracle rack, we observe that their fundamentals are not and then they will not able to understand the rack. But if you are confident on yourself, then come to the Oracle rack, no problem. Actually 99% people are coming from my Oracle DB to Oracle rack only. S- but if you think that you're good to start with Oracle rack, yeah, we are coming with Oracle rack also, so you can join that, or you can take the recording from my team meanwhile, and you can join with us. Yeah.
Yeah, hi, this is Suresh.
Yes, please.
So, I'm a fresher, okay. 2025 passed out. So, if I
2025.
2025, yeah, okay.
Okay.
If I studied this course, okay. So, MNC companies or any other startup companies, they are looking for the at least 3+ year experience for Oracle DBA.
Not only for Oracle DBA, you choose any technology. Freshers are struggling.
But I'm looking for Oracle DBA.
Now I'm telling you the fact which is happening right now. Okay. Right now the situation of freshers are quite tricky. Okay. And not now. It's been like from the beginning only. Somewhere we need to start. Like I didn't start my career directly with the MNC. I didn't start. I start my career with the small company. And from small company I jumped to the Cognizant. And most of the people who are getting placed with Learnomate from our last batch or whatever batches we have seen till now, generally they start with the small company only, because
Yeah, yes, but small company don't have for Oracle DBA, right? So,
what?
not much. I'm saying not much.
No, not like that. Okay. It's not like that. Okay. Many times, people will start with different technology also. Like people will go with application support, people will go with administration, like Linux administration or cloud side, and then they switch to the cloud. I have many freshers also, those who are working as a Oracle DBA. Okay, they do that. But yeah, why not directly MNC? Because even with the MNC, if they are hiring you, they don't hire you for specific role. In MNC, like when I started with Cognizant, they don't put me directly in Oracle DBA. They will ask you to do some monitoring work or service desk kind of work, and then they will push you to the Oracle DBA based on your knowledge and your interest. So I can see Nidhi is there. I started with MNC, now I'm placed in PSU, but work on everything. Yes, we don't get back to the work in Oracle like that. Yes, please. So yes, I'm yes, please.
Yes, so is there only evening classes or there are any sort of a morning classes?
Morning, it's difficult. Actually, in this class now we have people joining from US also and from different countries also. This time is suitable for most of the people because people will be back from office also. We have some people who are already working also. So this is a fixed time. But yeah, if you miss by any chance, we can give you a recording every day. The lectures will be getting recorded also. So if you miss anything, you'll get the recording also. But right now the timing is fixed, that is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.
And when will this batch start?
We'll start this week most probably. The date is not fixed yet, but the timings are actually I have some topics to complete from my current batch. I have a same batch on the same time. So from my last DBA batch, I'll just close that and we'll start this.
Okay. Any batches will start in the morning?
DBA, you're saying Oracle DBA?
Yeah,
Oracle DBA will be difficult. Oracle DBA will be difficult. Okay. See, because we have people who are working 24 across 7 also. Many people are working in shift. So in that case, we provide them recording access. But yeah, if you need any support, I'll be always there. Think on it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, sure. Because I already work in an agency, so that's the reason. Like my shift timing is still 10 p.m. So that's the reason I just asked.
Acha, 2 to maybe 1 to 10 p.m. you are working.
Yeah, yes, that's right.
You can join from office also. Many people are doing. Many people are joining from
Okay,
office.
okay, all right. I'll have to try my level to see.
You can like on that dinner time you can just join from mobile. Even with mobile also you can join.
Okay, okay, sure, sure.
hands-on practice will be session will be held. Yeah, definitely everything will be practical. As I said, like, see here, my screen is all about the black screen. You can see I'm doing hands-on practice only, so everyone will get to know about that. Okay, so everything will be practically completed. Okay, see, yeah, Oracle VirtualBox. We'll use the Oracle. Yeah, this Oracle VirtualBox. You can use Oracle VirtualBox, VMware. It's up to you. There is no. Hmm. Earlier, I used to use VMware Workstation, but it is not free of cost. You need to get a key, and then that's time-consuming process. Okay. Okay. Those people who do not have those people who do not have a laptop, or those people who do not have much RAM, let's say you don't have 8 GB of RAM, your laptop is slow, we will provide you lab access also. So lab access is the part of this syllabus. Okay. Yeah, I'm just telling, yeah, those people who don't have, I'm saying.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
please. Yes, yes.
Hi, sir. I'm Jaya. Sir, I have 4 years of experience in MS SQL database administrator.
Hmm.
But I want to upgrade my skill by learning the Oracle DBA. Will it help me to get better job opportunity as per market
In
standard?
this class, I think 3-4 people are there from MS SQL DBA
Okay, okay,
in this class.
okay.
So many people see right now the industry is saying that you should have at least 2 databases in your resume.
Yes.
So one database is not sufficient. In my resume, I have Oracle with PostgreSQL is also there. So at least 2 databases should be there. So you can start learning about the Oracle. And those people who are coming from database background, they can easily understand the database administration with Oracle easily. Why? Because the concepts are same. The administration activities are same. You there also you take the backup, here also you take the backup.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
same thing, you have full database backup there also, here also we have full database backup. Here also we have incremental backup. So concepts are same. It's just like, your tools and technologies are little bit changed. So you'll understand very clearly.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks. There is a question, are we going to cover the entire part like from basic to advanced? See, if you see here, I can challenge you. No one is going to cover these many models with this Oracle DB. No one is going to talk about the OEM, upgradation, patching, data guard, all these. These are all concepts are very advanced concept. In Oracle DBA, no one is going to talk about that. Usually what people will do, they will only tell you the core DBA. They will not talk about data guard. They will not talk about ASM, patching, upgradation, shell scripting, performance. So we are including that. So we have a single course where we are going to cover everything. Okay, everything we are going to cover. Yeah. Okay, so you guys can join this. You can refer to this. I'm giving you the link. Okay, you can refer this, take a time, understand yourself. If you want to know more about the Learnomate, you can check this Learnomate here. You can see here. Okay, and you can see many people are following us, and the main reason behind that because we are doing really good job. So see here, you can see here, right? We are really doing good job. You can also follow me on my LinkedIn by any chance if you don't want to. um, so you can just go here and you can follow me also. You can follow me here. Okay. Oh, nice. So I think we are good to start. Can we start then? Okay. Thank you so much for listening me, and I hope you people will be there with me. Again, if you want to understand free of cost, we have a YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and we'll take care of your batches. Okay, thank you. And those people who are interested to join this Oracle DBA training, real-time Oracle DBA training, reach out to the Learnomate. I already given you the contact details, the website details, my LinkedIn. Reach out to us. Thank you guys. See you. Thank you for joining.